Morning prep class. Today is day 21 and please take out your mathematic notebook and write topic table of 2. Today you write full table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. You also learned this table, and next day inshallah we start table of 3. Table of 2 and table of 3 are included in your first term. So please learn these two tables very well. Thank you, students.